Hello kids, let's learn green vegetables. This is spinach. This is coriander. This is mint. This is curry leaves. This is fenugreek. This is lettuce. This is cabbage. This is beet greens. This is turnip greens. This is mustard greens. This is kale. This is fennel greens. This is watercress. This is parsley. This is spring onion. This is artichoke. This is dill leaves. This is broccoli. This is cabbage. This is cauliflower. This is cucumber. This is peas. This is ladyfinger. This is bottle